Hello everybody, this is Shane and David from the Indoor Outdoor Gear Review. We're up here in the beautiful Cherokee National Forest, hiking around, exploring, enjoying the day. Just want to say hey to everybody, show you a little bit of the surrounding beauty. We will be showing you more as soon as we can. Hey guys, we decided we're going to stop and have some lunch. Never been on this trail before. We are maybe an hour in after taking 2 breaks, or a break and a half, and we got a decision to make. We got a trail leads up that way, and about 100 feet in that direction there's a trail that looks like it goes to the top of the ridge. So me and David have a decision to make, and when we make that decision we'll bring you all back and we'll go from there. We've decided to put up some hammocks and chill out for a while. David's got his and I'm getting ready to get mine and set it up, and we're just going to relax for a little bit. Hey David, say hey.
Hi. Hi.
What's up, David?
What's up?
What are we doing?
Napping.
Look up here. Tell everybody what's going on.
So, we haven't made our decision yet. I mean, we kind of did. We think we're going to rest here for a minute, and then we're going to take the hammocks down and go up on the ridge and put them back up. I think that's what we're doing.
So what we did, he forgot to mention, we actually set our hammocks up on the side of a mountain. So, it's pretty cool. See my feet, everybody? See David's feet, everybody? So we're up here on the mountain. If David will take this, he can show you where our packs are.
Our packs are right down there.
Down the hill.
Yeah, down the hill. And there's a creek. There's Daddy. And there's the camera.
Alright guys. See y'all later.
So we made the trail from the hammocks. Not really anywhere to put our hammocks up here, but we have decided to just tell you guys that we're on the top of a mountain. Now, how many people can say we're at the top of a mountain? Right there is the tippy top. Right there. Beautiful.
Sitting at the top of the mountain, looking out at a beautiful view, beautiful, of the valley and the farmland. Been a good day for me and David. We're just relaxing. It's warm out today, and we'll be heading back soon, but this will not be our last time here. So for now, peace out.
Peace.